Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to create charts and diagrams from your text in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a quick way to turn your text information into visual diagrams, I'll walk you through an AI tool that makes it super simple. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To generate different charts and diagrams from your text, first of all, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once the browser is open, type napkin.ai into the Google search box and search for it. Now, you'll see various results. Select Napkin AI from the first option. You'll see a screen like this. If you're using this AI tool for the first time, click on the Get Napkin Free button in the top right corner of the screen and create an account. You can also log in using your Google account. After creating your account, click on the New Napkin button and choose Blank Napkin. Now, you'll see a blank page like this. Here, you need to add the text from which you want to generate the chart or diagram. Today in this video, I'll copy and paste text from ChatGPT. Once you've entered the text, you'll notice an icon on the left side of the text. Simply click on this icon. After clicking, this AI tool will start generating different chart diagrams for you. On the left side, you'll see different diagram options. Scroll down and select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, you'll see different design styles for the diagram. Choose one from the available options. Look, this is a diagram generated from the text. You can further customize it if needed using the available tools. Finally, select the diagram and click on the Download button from the pop-up toolbar. Now, choose the image format and click Download to save the diagram to your device. Once downloaded, you can use it anywhere, such as in your project or study notes.